here. Obviously, the materials in here are lovely, very nice, and yeah, Napa leather. Yeah, Napa leather. That's how I see my car with Napa leather. That's nice. With the infotainment system and all of that. So it notices when I'm here, so I just swipe, and then the door handle is integrated into the car's body, which is obviously very nice. Here we have some of the cars that Chagan have. But the CS85, which is a coupe, it's slant back. You can compare this to the likes of the BMW X6, the Mercedes GLE, and we've got the Chagan CS35 here, which obviously many of you would have known this car in this beautiful blue. With the red accents right here. We've got this one, the Edo DT, which is the entry-level sedan. Obviously this black, same with this one. And then we've got this one in Nardo Grey, the CS35 Plus. The flush headlights in here, and this color, this gray, it has this thing on me that I really love. And then other cars. Okay.
And this one, the particular thing about it, I mean, a special feature is this one. You can move it even while you're not inside.
Oh, forward,
backwards. Yes. It has park assist. It has e-hold and all the other things that comes with every other car.
Okay. It has this slant back.
Yes, it's a coupe.
Coupe. Coupe, yeah.
We call it CS85 coupe.
So look at the way this welcomes you. I love the color of the leather here. What do you call this? Still Napa leather?
Still Napa, yes.
Napa leather.
Yes, we have
the Chagan V. Attention to detail in this. Your cars are always lovely.
8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Lovely. Oh, you've got lights at the storage.
Yeah.
This here. So the start buttons.
Yes.
You've got carbon fiber here. We missed this. We missed this information. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
CS55, CS85, CS35. The competition we held. This was meant to be the car I was supposed to win. But is it bad news? Unfortunately, we weren't able to win it, but we get to see it, obviously.
Unlike that one that is leather. This one's leather. It's woven now. It's leather. So this is how this one is. You can see that the features are not much.
Yeah.
It's just a small car. Although it also has the camera as well. Save, you see now, save. This one can save in case there's accident. As if you put it on. Just like for example, you are looking at it, you can just put it on to save it. In case of any accident.
So this is the CS35. It looks lovely. It's obviously a small SUV, but it has like dual tone, which is the black and then the red. So let's see remote boot lead. But this looks very powerful.
Now it has Akwudi because in case you
Okay. Ah. Plus, let's come and sit inside. How do you feel? How's the headroom?
Actually, it's nice, but
It has panoramic.
yeah, but for someone taller than myself,
Put your legs in, like in.
yeah,
It can.
yeah.
When you start it, so it welcomes you in. It's cool. It's nice. You know, let's put on the AC. You can. That's screen touch, yeah. Oh, it feels very lovely. Woo! This thing is blowing too hard. It goes so hard. Actually, let me see if I can turn it down. Actually. This is lovely in here. It feels so nice in here. Panoramic roof goes all the way back. I would have just been cruising in this if we won that competition, but you know. Wow. Oh, this is lovely. It feels so cool here. Oh.
It's just a,
I like the click when you.
it's not the. Let me see.
Randy.
I think I'll chew in.
This one looks very sporty. Okay, with the remote you can do. I think this is the one I love among all of them. Yes. Yes. Just like the
effect, this tail light with the dolphin shape.
Great.
The other one that is atom green, that one used to glitter, just like so.
yeah, it's glittering if you
Glitters.
look inside. Yeah. This camera does a good job getting it. Wow.
Zero is black and red. The others, you know, is either just black and red. But this
Yeah.
one is black and red.
Let's see how we start this.
Start with that.
Okay. The press pedal before start. it's cleaning.
It cleans the air.
Yeah. Forest air, that's what it says. Wow.
Check it.
Let's see. Yes,
Wow.
it seems to be.
I didn't know this one had that.
Very small. That white part changes to you know it's very powerful, yes. So quick question. What do you think about every of the car we've seen here? The CS35, you have the CS85, the Unique, which is like the very trophy car. And then this one, CS55. For me, this is the one that really catches my eye. What do you think, Destiny?
So lovely. So lovely. Actually, when I saw this on Instagram, like the first post of this, I actually fell in love with this car. I remember very well.
What do you think? Very eye-catching. The color, right? Nardo grey. Nardo grey, but a little bit lighter than
This matte feel.
yeah, but when you come closer,
Yeah, you know that.
you know it shines like inside. It has this crystal thing,
Close.
glossy.
And it's a mommy's car.
Mommy's car vibes. Edo DT. Oh, is this still open? So take a look. Every car here is provided at Mikano Motors. You can come here and check out their cars. It's a very lovely place. You feel at home, you know. Everything from generators to everything that powers your house to cars, they've got it all here. So make a stop. Come to Mikano.
So, any last word? One day, I will have money.